Have you ever wondered whether you should install a solar borehole pump instead of a normal electric pump? This is a question I get quite often from people building homes in Ghana, especially from people who have heard about the borehole pumps burning out, electricity problems, or power cuts. So they asked me, would a solar powered borehole pump be the better option or not? After all, Ghana has plenty of sunshine, doesn't it? So in this video, I want to explain the real pros and cons of solar borehole pumps versus traditional electric pumps. Are you looking to build your dream home in Ghana? Or are you building already? Would you benefit from regular site visits to monitor your building and receive regular progress reports? Well, if that's the case, and that's you, look no further. Asher and Gad Consultancy at your service. We offer the following services: electrical design, construction monitoring inspections, site progress reports, consultation for all items MEP, witnessing of testing and commissioning, periodic snagging, vetting of specialist subcontractors. We also report site activities to you to hopefully help you spend your money efficiently and much more. Get in contact for your building needs. Details on the screen. Asher and Gad Consultancy, making Africa home again, one family at a time. First, let's start with the traditional system most homes use. A normal borehole pump is usually powered by either the electricity grid, alright, or a generator during power cuts. This type of system has been used for many years. It is simple, okay? It is reliable, and the upfront cost is usually lower, okay? But there are also some disadvantages. One major issue in Ghana is power quality, as we know. Voltage fluctuations can damage pumps over time, okay? If the pump is not protected by an AVR or proper protection devices, the motor can burn out, okay? Another issue is doomsaw or power interruptions, okay? When power cuts occur, the pump stops working unless you switch to a generator, okay? And generators obviously require fuel and maintenance. So now let's talk about the solar borehole pump itself. A solar borehole pump works differently, okay? Instead of drawing electricity from the grid, it uses solar panels to generate power from the sunlight. That electricity powers the borehole pump directly. And Ghana is actually a very good country for solar systems because we receive strong solar irradiation throughout most of the year, as you guys all know. The biggest advantage of solar pumps is simple. Once installed, the energy from the sun is essentially free, okay? You are no longer dependent on electricity tariffs or generator fuel. And because solar systems operate using dedicated controllers, the pump often receives very stable electrical input, which can help protect the motor, actually. However, there are also some disadvantages. What are those? The biggest one is the initial cost. Solar borehole systems require 1. Solar panels, 2. A solar pump controller, 3. Specialized solar pump designed for solar use. This means the upfront cost is usually much higher than the normal pump system. Another limitation is the time of operation. There you go. Solar pumps generally work when the sun is shining, okay? So most systems are designed to pump water during the day and to store it in a water tank. The tank then supplies the house during the evening or nighttime. This does work well, but it requires proper design and consideration. Another factor to consider is maintenance and complexity, okay? Solar systems involve additional equipment such as controllers and panels, okay? These components must be installed correctly and protected correctly. A poorly installed solar system can create its own set of problems, okay? So the real question becomes, which system is better? In many homes, the best solution is actually a hybrid approach. For example, a solar pump that fills your water storage tank during the day and a traditional electric pump available as backup when needed. Okay, this provides flexibility and reliability. So if you are building a new house in Ghana, it may make sense to consider solar pumping systems early in the design stage. But if you already have a borehole with a working electric pump, replacing it with solar is not always necessary. Okay, the key is proper system design, correct pump sizing, and proper electrical protection, as I've said over and over again. In the end, both systems can work well. What matters most is how well the system is designed and installed. Because whether the pump is solar or electric, a poorly designed system will always fail sooner. Okay, you guys have watched my videos. I did a recent video about modern homes versus older homes. Okay, and you know, it's all about proper design, proper maintenance, and proper installation. You know, modern homes are great, but they're more complex, so it needs proper planning, proper maintenance. If you haven't watched that video, go and watch that video as well. It will make this one even make more sense. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Like, share, subscribe, hype the video as usual from Guy Chemist here, and from me, guys, Yebeshia. See you next time.